Melanie Darnell couldn't believe her eyes as she watched the footage from the night before. There it was, shadows creeping into her room, one getting so close to her face she shuddered. How had she slept through this? Could it happen again tonight? But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button, and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Melanie Darnell, a vegan fitness guru and mother of 3, lived a seemingly perfect life, balancing her kids, workouts, and a successful blog. But beneath the surface, she was grappling with strange nighttime noises and unexplainable fatigue that had started 10 months ago. Initially, she thought the sounds were just the house creaking, but the noises persisted, growing louder, and she woke up every morning utterly exhausted. Her husband, away on business, suggested setting up a night vision camera. Though the idea scared her, Melanie decided to go for it, desperate to uncover the truth. After setting up the camera, Melanie spent another restless night on the couch. The next morning, she nervously reviewed the footage. To her horror, the video showed her children sneaking into her bedroom multiple times, turning her bed into a playground. Her dog, too, appeared, explaining the strange sensation of breathing she had felt. Melanie realized she had been semi-awake, responding to her kids and dog without remembering. Shocked, she shared the footage on her blog, writing, "Parenting doesn't end when the sun goes down. Let's find comfort in knowing we're all in this together, cradling our babies in the dark." Through her story, Melanie highlighted the unseen struggles of motherhood, showing that despite the challenges and exhaustion, she wouldn't change a thing.